Hurricane Hermes coming.
Now you want to put clothes on 4 o'clock in the morning.
So we gotta get ready to go.
Man, you knew all day when you was in here naked.
I didn't know. I wasn't.
Pizza. You didn't buy no water, no candles, no nothing.
Cause I didn't know.
You going down.
Now it's time to go.
You going down.
Hermes coming.
You finna float away.
Listen. Hurricane Hermes coming. We gotta go. Hurricane Hermes coming. We gotta go, fool. We can't stay here, fool. Hurricane Hermes coming. Stop.
What did I do?
He's rubbing on me. I'm nervous. Stop rubbing on me. I'm trying to talk to the people about Hurricane Hermes. Hurricane Hermes coming.
It been coming. You didn't listen.
I didn't hear. Nobody told me nothing. Nobody told me that the road would be easy. Yeah, I don't believe to leave me with Hurricane Hermes. Ow, stop, motherfucker. Hermes coming. I don't believe the brother did. Get your, I don't know what that is. But stop throwing that shit up in my video. You get up out my video. That shit. No, don't say no. That what you just did. Get out my video with that. I'm out of here. Peace, y'all. Take care. This is a public announcement to Hurricane Hermes. Y'all take care of yourself. Go get some water. Stay in the doors. Stop throwing up gang signs. It's not time to throwing up gang signs. Niggas out there dying.